I just got this Japanese chef knife. Comes in this nice gift box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Look at that, that's nice. Ooh. This is a beautiful chef knife. It is Japanese alloy hardened steel core in the center with a steel alloy outside that's rust resistant. It is hand forged and hand sharpened. You don't get this in mass produced knives. The handle is this beautiful display of wooden resin. I'm gonna do some cutting and see how this does. You always see everybody using is the tomato. So let's do the tomato test. I just want to see how this thing shaves. Ooh. That is sharp. Effortless. I have some fresh tuna over here. Look at how that thing shaves. That is awesome. It's also very well balanced. This knife is just masterful. It's got a beautiful blade, comfortable handle, and this thing is razor sharp, as you saw me shave some of that tuna and the tomato. This knife is impressive. I'm gonna enjoy having this around.